Hi everybody, I am FGSL and I will show you how to use similar underscore text function of PHP. Well, first of all, I will start PHP in the interactive mode. Then I will invoke similar underscore text function and I will pass 3 arguments. The 2 first arguments are the text to be compared, the text variables to be compared. For example, I want to compare father and the translation for French, that is père. Then father and père. Well, the third argument is a float variable. I will call it as percent because in fact this value is the similarity percentage. Well, I will run the function. After I will invoke printf function. A printf function of PHP is equal to print a function of C language. Then I have a placeholder as first argument and the variable as a second. In this case, percent. Well, observe that père is similar to father and almost 18%. Now I will use another word as a second argument. Vater, that is father in German. I will print the percent variable again, and this time the similarity percentage is equals to 72. It's almost 72. Then father is more similar. In fact, excuse me for the pronunciation. Father is more similar to father than père. Well, another example with family. I will use this time as first argument sister, and in French, sœur, sister and sœur. What's the similarity percentage? Almost 54. Well, now I will use as the second argument Schwester. Schwester is sister in German. Look at this. The percentage is 53, is almost 53. Then it's a little lesser than French translation. Well, you perceive that Schwester is more different than sister compared to father and father. Well, Then with this function, similar underscore text, you can compare words and discovering which words are more and lesser similar among them. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any questions about similar underscore text function, you can write your questions in the comments. Thank you very much again.